Deactivating your American Express card online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can deactivate your American Express card online. All the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, log in to your American Express website. Just go to American Express website and log in now. Simply go to the account services section. Now there you just have to select manage cards, for there should be an option for replacement card. Now choose the cancel card option and follow the prompts. Confirm cancellation and check for confirmation messages for email. Now there could be a procedure you need to follow, which might ask you to verify your identity. We just have to do that to deactivate your card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.